Okay, no start. Hold that like that. No start. A little over 12 volts. Right off the bat, you got a 3-volt voltage drop from the terminal to there. Okay, now if you can hold both those down there. Can you hold those? Push them down. Come in for change.
Alright. Yeah.
What's it now?
It's 8.0705.
Right, it's 8 volts, right?
Yeah.
You know what that tells you? That between here and here, you're losing 8 volts through corrosion. We're not measuring amps, it doesn't matter. So between this stud right here and here, we're losing 8 volts right off the bat.
So we need a new terminal.
Yep. Start by cleaning the terminal.